Hello friends, we have received this hard disk just open without clean room. Surprisingly, even the information of the hard drive means there is a sticker on the hard drive that is also missing. So first of all, we have to do the efforts to find the hard drive. Which hard drive is this actually, especially in family? What is the capacity of the hard drive? And we got it through the ROM information, but when we are going to the clean room, see what happens to this drive. This drive is having a lot of dust. Yeah, you can see in the video there is a lot of dust over here. So my thing is, minor scratches you can see there. This is a microscopic inspection. In fact, through the eyes it is not these marks are not visible in fact. So you can see. Let me suggest you people, please, it is my humble request to you all guys, if somebody is not having the clean room, please don't allow to him to open the hard disk. It's to ruin your data, and if data is important, be careful. It should be a lab, not a simple technician who can recover the data. Thing is, if there is the only data recovery company, they have the clean room, they have the each and everything, they have the setup, they have the knowledge. So you can see how these rings are appearing on the screen. So this case is negative. Even the people have to open and damaging the hard disk. Just hit and try. Hit and try is not the solution for anything. You must have the tools and knowledge for that. So inspection tool, you can see we are inspecting, and head transplantation we have share a lot of videos for that. We can do that, but if surface is not good, we cannot recover the data. So people asking, sir, if you will get change your heads, then can you recover our data? We straightforward says them, it is the condition of the plater which allows us to recover the data. We only can the only option is we can change the heads and let it happen to recover the data. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.